we have too many kids in the juvenile justice system who are not delinquents, and that the juvenile justice system should only be reserved to those kids who scare us, which are few of them. And we are over-criminalizing juvenile behavior, things that I did as a child, things that many people in that audience today did as a child. There's none of us want the rest of our lives defined by what we did at age 14. That is wrong. And that leads to a system that makes no sense at all. The interventions necessary to keep kids out of the juvenile justice system that don't need to be in the juvenile justice system. Kids of color, that involves the DMC core protection, the deinstitutionalization of status offenders. We don't need to be putting kids in detention centers in the juvenile justice system who make us mad. You know, I've had a number of people who have come into my court either as a young person who did get into some trouble, but because of adhering to the core protections of the Juvenile Justice Delinquency Prevention Act, we've kept them away from the court system. Look, here's the bottom line. We just finished a 3-year recidivist study of all the kids we diverted in 2010. There were 729 kids we diverted. Of the 729, over 60% of them we never saw again after 3 years. Now, what does that tell you? That tells you we shouldn't be touching them in the first place. But yet many systems still open up their arms, their doors, their gates to these kids, and we make them worse. And you know what? The bottom line is we're the ones who are hurting our communities. We're the ones who are making these kids worse, and then as a result, we're victimizing more innocent people. It's the system that's victimizing innocent people, not just the kids, but other citizens, because we are making kids worse. We are turning kids into criminals.